So in this question we have a tertiary butyl carbocation is more stable than secondary butyl carbocation because of which of the following reasons here. So we will draw the diagram of tertiary butyl carbocation and secondary butyl carbocation, and where then we will find. So drawing the diagram here for tertiary, for and secondary. So we can say that the tertiary carbocation is stable due to 9-alpha hydrogen hyperconjugation, and secondary butyl carbocation is stable due to 5-alpha H hyperconjugation. As here we can see. So the correct option will be second due to the hyperconjugation.